Hello students, large numbers SB16. Let us now learn how to round off 6-digit numbers to the nearest 10,000. Consider 2,89,485. Step 1. Find the 10,000s between which the number lies. 2,80,000 and 2,90,000. Step 2. Find the halfway number. Here it is 2,85,000. Number line is draw, and 2,80,000 and 2,90,000 last we write. In between these numbers 2,85,000 is there. Step 3. Round off the number to the 10,000s. It is closest to the number 2,89,485 is more than the halfway number 2,85,000, so it is nearest to 2,90,000 than 2,80,000. Hence we round off 2,89,485 to 2,90,000. Solved example 14. Round off 39,272 to the nearest 10,000 using a number line. Answer. To round off 39,272 to the nearest 10,000, find the 10,000s between which it lies and find the halfway number. Draw the number line. First we write 30,000, last we write 40,000. In between these numbers 35,000 is. We can see that 39,272 is more than the halfway number 35,000. So it is nearest to 40,000 than 30,000. Hence we round off 39,272 to 40,000. Round off numbers by comparing digits. Do we always need to draw a number line to round off a number to the nearest 10,000s? It takes too much time. No, there is another way. Let me show you. Let us now learn how to round off numbers to the nearest 10,000 by looking at the digits. Solved example 15. Round off 12,350 and 1,18,326 to the nearest 10,000. Answer. Step 1. Look at the digit in the thousands place. 12,350 and 1,18,326. Step 2. If the digit is more than or equal to 5, round up. If the digit is less than 5, round down. 2 is smaller than 5. Stays the same. 2 becomes 0, 3 becomes 0, 5 becomes 0, 0 value 0 becomes 0. 8 is greater than 5. So 1 is same as 1. 1 becomes 2 because like this. Therefore 12,350 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is 10,000, and 1,18,326 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is 1,20,000. Large numbers SB17. Round off numbers to the nearest 1 lakh. We know that when we round off a number to the nearest 10,000, we look at the digit in the thousands place. So, while rounding off a number to the nearest 1 lakh, which digit should we look at? Yes, we should look at the digit in the 10,000s place. Let us solve some questions to learn how to round off numbers to the nearest 1 lakh. Solved example 16. Round off 3,99,999 and 45,21,546 to the nearest 1 lakh. Answer step 1. Look at the digit in the 10,000s place. 3,99,999. 9 is in 10 lakh. 9 is in 10,000. Step 2. If the digit is more than or equal to 5, round off. 9 is greater than 5. So 3 becomes 4 because in 10,000 place 9 is there, 9 is greater than 5. Like this we solve the problems. Therefore 3,99,999 rounded off to the nearest 1 lakh is 4 lakhs and 45,21,546 rounded off to the nearest 1 lakh is 45 lakhs. Practice question number 9. Tick write the correct options. A. The population of a city was 11,72,246. We can say that the population was 10 lakhs. B. Mr. Sharma has 3,45,890 in the bank account. We can say that the account balance is around 3 lakhs. C. At a stadium, 56,789 people were watching a cricket match. The number of people was around 60,000. Practice question number 9, 9.1. Round off each of the given numbers to the nearest 10,000. A. 74,185. For 10,000, we see the number in 1000 place. In 1000 place, 4 is the number. So 4 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 70,000. B. 39,132. The 1000 place number is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So the answer is 40,000. 1,77,242. The 1000 place number is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So the answer is 1,80,000. D. 3,14,845. 1000 place number 4 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 3,10,000. E. 30,264. 1000 place value 0 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 30,000. F. 43,613. 1000 place number is 3 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 40,000. G. 4,62,198. 1000 place number is 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 4,60,000. H. 1,06,107. 6 is greater than 5. So the answer is 1,10,000. 9.2. 9.2 round off each of the given numbers to the nearest 1 lakhs. A 6,74,175. For 1 lakh we see the number 10,000 place. In 10,000 place 7 is there. 7 is greater than 5. So the answer is 7 lakhs. B 1,12,532. In 10,000 place 1 is there. 1 is smaller than 5. So answer is 1 lakhs. If smaller than 5, the number becomes smaller. If greater than 5, the number becomes greater. C 23 lakhs 42,523. In 10,000 place 4 is there. 4 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 20 lakhs. D 43 lakhs 32,623. In 10,000 place 3 is there. 3 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 40 lakhs. E 7 lakhs 17,402. In 10,000 place 1 is there. 1 is smaller than 5. So the answer is 7 lakhs. F 4 lakhs 63,613. 6 is greater than 5. So the answer is 5 lakhs. G 14 lakhs 86,203. In 10,000 place 8 is there. 8 is greater than 5. So the answer is 15 lakhs. H 19 lakhs 94,703. In 10,000 place 9 is there. 9 is greater than 5. So the answer is 20 lakhs. Nine 9.4, write the smallest and the largest numbers, each of which, when rounded off to the nearest 1 lakhs, gives 6 lakhs. 1 lakhs minus 1 is 99,999. In 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs minus 1 is 5,99,999. Large numbers, SB18. Large numbers, SB18. Concept time 10. International place value system. Different people in the world have found different ways to represent numbers. In India, we commonly use periods like crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones to show numbers. This is the Indian place value system as shown below. Period, place, period, crores. First is ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. In place, In ones, tens, hundreds are coming. In thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. However, a lot of countries use another place value system called the International Place Value System. In the International Place Value System, we use the following periods: ones, thousands, and millions. International Place Value System. Ones, in ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In millions, 10 millions, like this. Let us see how we show 36221495 in both the Indian and international place value systems. Note, a comma is added after each period from right to left. Indian place value system and international place value system. In Indian place value system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. In ones, five, tens, nine, hundreds, 4, thousand place 1, 10,000 place 2, lakhs place 2, 10 lakhs place 6, crore place 3. Means 3 crore 62 lakhs 21,495. 36221495 is written as 3 crore 62 lakhs 21,495. It is read as 3 crore 62 lakh 21,495. Like this, 36221495 is written as in international place value system. After 3 numbers, we put the comma like this. It is read as 36,221,495. Let's discuss with your partner what differences do you see between the Indian and international place value systems. Write them down in your notebook. Large numbers SB19 solved example 17. Write 4007645 using both the Indian and international place value systems. Answer: 4007645 is an 8-digit number. Let us draw place value tables for both systems. Indian place value system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. In ones place 5, tens place 4, hundreds place 5, thousand place 6, 10,000 place 7, lakhs place 0, 10 lakhs place 0, crore place 4. In international place value system, ones place 5, tens place 4, hundreds place 5, thousands place 6, 10,000 place 7, 100,000 place 0, million place 0, 10 million place 4. So 40076,545 is written as 4 crores 76,545 in Indian place value system, 40 million 76,545 in international place value system. Solved example 18. Write the number names of the following numbers in the given below. A 456745, B 4519085. Answer is, this is 6-digit number. Using commas we write 456, 743. It is read as 456,743. 10.2 Write the numbers for the given number names. A 1,420,604. B 30,620,020. 4,760,888. D 48,745,060. E 35,220,892. 6,750,780. G 57,775,068. H 6,325,850. I 22,345,627. Practice question number 10. 10.1 Write each of the given numbers according to the International Place Value System using commas. Then write their number names. A 2354523. We put the commas after 3 digits. In one place 3, tens place 2, hundreds place 5, thousands place 4, 10,000s place 5, hundred thousands place 3, million place 2. So we can read as 2,354,523. B 4027636. We put the commas after 3 digits, 3 digits. Ones place 6, tens place 3, hundreds place 6, thousand place 7, 10,000 place 2, in hundreds place 0, million place 4. 4,027,636. C 634987. We put the commas after 3 digits. 3 digits we count and put the comma. In one place, ones place 7, tens place 8, hundreds place 9, thousands place 4, 10,000s place 3, 100,000 place 6, 634,987. D 987982. We put the comma after digits. In ones place 2, tens place 8, hundreds place 9, thousands place 7, 10,000 place 8, hundreds thousands place 9, 987,982. These are the international place value system. E 2345613. After we count three digits and put the comma. Ones place 3, tens place 1, hundreds place 6, thousands place 5, 10,000s place 4, 100,000s place 3, millions place 2. 2,345,613. F 323952. We put the commas after three digits. Ones place 3, tens place 2, hundreds place 5, thousands place 9, 10,000s place 3, 100,000s place 2, millions place 3. 3,239,533. G 45874450. We put the comma after three digits. Ones place 0, tens place 5, hundreds place 4, thousands place 4, 10,000s place 7, 100,000s place 8, million place 5, 10 million place 4. 45,874,450. H 94565424. We count the three digits and put the comma. Ones place 4, tens place 2, hundreds place 4, thousands place 5, 10,000 place 6, 100,000 place 5, million place 4, 10 millions place 9, 94,565,400, 424. Practice question number 11. 11.4. Write the successor and the predecessor of the following Roman numerals. XLVI means 46. 46 plus 1 is equal to 47 is the successor. 46 minus 1 is equal to 45 is the predecessor. We write the 47 in Roman letters. 47 means XLV11. Predecessor 45 means in Roman letters. XLV. B. C means 100. Successor for 100 is 100 plus 1, 101. 101 means C1 is the successor of C. Predecessor 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. 99 means XC 1X is the predecessor of C. Large numbers SB20. Concept time 11. Roman numerals. We have learned that some people express numbers using the Indian place value system, while some use the international place value system. We have also learned that people in ancient Rome used numerals to express numbers. We still come across numbers. Numbers on same clocks are written in Roman numbers. Chapter numbers in books are sometimes written in Roman numbers. Doors of classrooms may have Roman numerals to tell the grade. We already know the Roman numerals for numbers up to 10. Let us revise them. 1 means 1, 2 means 2 lines, 3 means 3 lines, 4 means 1 V, 5 means V, 6 means V1, 7 means V11, 8 means V111, 9 means 1X, 10 means X. Let us now learn how to show numbers up to 1000 using Roman numerals. To do so, we need to know some more symbols and rules. 50 means L, 100 means C, 500 means D, 1000 means M. Notice how we write 6 as V1. V1 means V means 5 plus 1 means 1. I means 1. It is based on the following rule. Rule 1. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of a greater value, the smaller value gets added to the greater value. We can use this rule to show numbers in Roman numerals. 11 means x plus 1 is equal to x1. In 11, 10 plus 1 is there. 10 means x plus 1. I is equal to xi. 52 means 50 plus 2. 50 means L plus 2 means 2 lines. That is L11 or LII. 103 means 100 plus 3. 100 means C plus 3 means 3 lines or 3I. That is CIII. 501 means 501. 500 means D plus 1 is equal to D1. Observe the following. 1 is 1, 2 is 2 lines, 3 is 3 lines. However, 4 is not 4 lines. It is 1V. This gives us the next rule. Rule 2. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. However, a symbol cannot appear more than 3 times. Let's discuss. Discuss with your partner. We cannot repeat V, L and D. Why is that so? Large numbers 21. Rule number 3. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of a greater value, the smaller value gets subtracted from the greater value. Smaller value 1 is subtracted from greater value V. Means 5 means 1 is equal to 4. 1x is equal to 10 minus 1, that is 9. XL means 50 minus 10, that is 40. XC means 100 minus 10, that is 90. 1x, V, L and D cannot be written to the left of a symbol with a greater value. 1 can only be subtracted from V and X. X can only be subtracted from L and C. Using these rules, let us now express numbers in Roman numerals. Solved example 19. Write 117 in Roman numerals. Answer. Step 1. Write the expanded form of the number. 117 is equal to 100 plus 10 plus 7. Step 2. Split the number further until we can represent it using Roman numerals. 117 is equal to 100 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Step 3. Write the symbols for the numbers. 117 is equal to 100 means C, 10 means X, 5 means V, 1 means 1. Hence, we write 117 as CXV11 is in Roman numerals. Solved example 20. Write the number for DXC. Answer. We know that D is 500, X is 10 and C is 100. DXC is equal to 500 plus XC means 100 minus 10, that is 500 plus 90, 590. So 590 is represented by DXC. X is smaller than C and is on its left side, so we subtract X from C. Watch out. Incorrect is xx1v is equal to 20 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 26 is incorrect. xx1v is equal to 20 plus 5 minus 1. xl means 40. xv means 15. vi means 6. xl means 40. xlv means 45. xl1x is equal to 49. Large numbers SB22 practice question 11 11.1. Write the numbers for the following Roman numerals. A is XXV111 means 28. B XLV11 means 47. C XXX111 33. D LXX1V means 74. EXC means 90. 11.2. Ria is reading a book on mountains. The chapter she is reading is numbered XX1V. What is this chapter number? 24. 11.3. Write the following numbers in Roman numerals. A 23 means XX111. B 38 means XXXV111. C 57 is LV11. D 271 is CCLXX1. E like this. 11.4. 11.5. Select the correct answer. A. Which symbols are repeated in Roman numerals? X is repeated. B. From which of the following Roman numerals can you subtract X? Answer is C. Third one, C. Question number C. Which of the following cannot be subtracted while writing a number in Roman numerals? Answer third one is V. 11.6. Give your answer in Roman numerals. A. X plus xv means 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. 25 means xxv. B. xxx plus x1v. xxx means 30 plus x1v means 14. Answer is 44. 44 means LX. LX 1V. C. XX1 plus L means 21 plus 50 is equal to 71. 71 means L XXL1. Practice question number 11. 11.4. Write the successor and the predecessor of each of the following Roman numerals. A. XLV1, that is 46 plus 1. Successor is 47. 46 minus 1 is equal to 45. Predecessor is 45. 47 means XLV11. Predecessor means XL45. 45 means XLV. C is 100. Successor is 100 means 100 plus 1, 101. 101 means C1 is the successor. Predecessor is 100 minus 1, 99. 99 means XC, 1X. C XXX1, that is 31. Successor is 31 plus 1, 32. That is XXX11. Predecessor is 31 minus 1, that is 30. XXXX. D MC is 1100. Successor is 1100 plus 1, that is 1102. 101, that is MC1 is the successor. Predecessor is 1100 minus 1 is 1099, that is MXC1X. E LX1. LX1 means 50 plus 11, that is 61. Successor is 61 plus 1, 62. That is LX11. Predecessor is 61 minus 1 is equal to 60. That is LX. F is CCXXXV 235. Successor is 235 plus 1 is 236. That is CCXXXV1. Predecessor is 235 minus 1, that is 234. Answer is CCXXX1V. Let's revise. First one, write the number names of the following numbers. A 83,65,218. B 1 lakhs 1 crore 6 lakhs 36,215. Let's revise. SB23 Indian Place Value System, International Place Value System, Roman numerals. In Indian Place Value System, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Ones, in ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands, ten thousands. In lakhs, 10 lakhs. In crores, 10 crores. In international place value system, ones, thousands, millions. Ones is in ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands, ten thousands, hundred thousands. In millions, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. In numbers, one means in Roman numbers 1. 5 means V, 10 means X, 50 means L, 100 means C, 500 means D, 1000 means M. In Indian place value system, in ones is 3, tens is 6, hundreds is 5, thousands place 4, 10,000 place 8, lakhs place 7, 10 lakhs place 6, crore place 2. 2 crore 67 lakh 84,563. In international place value system, ones place 3, tens place 5, hundreds place 5, thousands place 4, 10,000 place 8, 100,000 place 7, million place 6, 10 million place 2. 26,784,563. First one, write the number names of the following numbers. A 83,65,218. B 1 crore 6 lakhs 36,215. Number C 21 crore 73 lakhs 49,900. D 54 crore 543,213. Second question, compare the following numbers using greater than, smaller than, equal to. A. 96 lakhs 55,239 and 96 lakhs 65,213. Answer is 96 lakhs 55,213 is smaller than 97 lakhs 65,213. B. 3 crore 12 lakhs 65,200 and 3 crore 12 lakhs 60,000. 3 crore 12 lakhs 65,200 is greater than 3 crore 12 lakhs 60,000. C. 10 crore 38 lakhs 50,214 and 1 lakhs 10,835. 10 crore 38 lakhs 50,214 is greater than 1 lakh 10,835. D. 12 crore 32 lakhs 59,456 and 12 crore 32 lakhs 59,456. 12 crore 32 lakhs 59,456 is equal to 12 crore 32 lakhs 59,456. Third main, arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending orders. A. 10 crore 38 lakhs 50,214, 3 crore 12 lakhs 65,200, 1 lakh 6,215, 12 lakhs. A. Ascending order. For ascending order, first we write the smaller number 1,06,215. Next 12 lakhs. Next 3 crore 12 lakhs 65,200. 10 crore 38 lakhs 50,000. 214. B. Descending order. For descending order, first we write the biggest number 10 crore 38 lakhs 50,215. 14. Next 3 crore 12 lakhs 65,200. Next 12 lakhs. Next 1 lakh 6,215. B. 23 lakhs 20,412. 23 lakhs 2,405. 23 lakhs 42,405. 23 lakhs 22,405. Ascending order. For ascending order, first we write the smallest number 23 lakhs 2,405. Next 23 lakhs 20,412. Next 23 lakhs 22,405. Next 23 lakhs 42,405. Descending order. For descending order, first we write the biggest number 23 lakhs 42,405. Next 23 lakhs for 22,405. Next 23 lakhs 20,412. Next 23 lakhs 2,405. Fourth main, round off each of the given numbers to the nearest 10,000. A 30,304. That is, for the 10,000 we see the thousands place value. In thousand place 0 is there. 0 is smaller than 5. So the nearest number is 30,000. B 13,120. The thousand place value is 3. 3 is smaller than 5, though, so the nearest number is 10,000. C 57,350. 7 is in thousand place, that is greater than 5. So the nearest number is 60,000. D 1,29,876. In thousands place 9 is there. 9 is greater than 5. So the answer is 1,30,000. Nearest number is 1,30,000. Fifth main, round off each of the given numbers to the nearest 1 lakh. A 1,24,394. For nearest number 1 lakh, we see the number in 10,000. So the 10,000 place value is 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So the nearest number is 1 lakh. B 3,32,160. In 10,000 place 3 is there. 3 is smaller than 5. So the nearest number is for 1 lakh. That is 3 lakhs. C 57 lakhs 54,215. 10 lakh place is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So the nearest number is 60 lakh. B 7,23,872. In 10 lakhs place 2 is smaller than 5. So the nearest number for 1 lakh is 7 lakh. Main 6. Form the largest and the smallest 7-digit numbers using the given digits. A 1 2 4 3 9 4 0. Largest number is 94 lakh 43,210. Smallest number is 10 lakh 23,449. B 5332160. Largest number is 65 lakhs 33,210. Smallest number is 10 lakh 23,356. C 8576429. Largest number is 96 lakhs 76,542. Smallest number is 24 lakhs 56,789. 7208,435. Largest number is 87 lakhs 54,320. Smallest number is 20 lakhs 34,578. Seventh main, write the given numbers in the international place value system and then write their number names. A 32 3,25,345. In international place value means after 3 digits we put the comma. Ones place is 5, tens place 4, hundreds place 3, thousands place 5, 10,000 place 2, 100,000 place 3. We read as 325,345. B 2345875. After 3 digits we put the commas. In ones place 5, tens place 7, hundreds place 8, thousands place 5, 10,000 place 4, 100,000 place 3, million place 2. We read it as 2,145,875. C 45678678. We put the commas after three digits in one place. Ones place 8, tens place 7, hundreds place 6, thousands place 8, 10,000 place 7, 100,000 place 6, million place 5, 10 millions place 4. 45,678,678. 99. Ones place 9, tens place 9, hundreds place 9, thousand place 9, 10,000 place 9, 100,000 place 9, million place 9, 10 million place 9. We read it as 99,999,999. Eighth main, write the Roman numerals for the following numbers. A 325, 300 plus 20 plus 5, that is CCCXXV. B 789, 700 plus 80 plus 9, that is DCCXXC1X. Number C 340, 300 plus 40, that is CCCXL. D 290, 200 plus 90, that is CCXC. E 999, 900 plus 90 plus 9, that is CMXC1X.